Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to IKEA Mumbai, which is in Navi Mumbai, and I am going there I think like for the first time. I don't think I'm going for the first time, but yeah, it's my first time. I'm excited. I've created a list of things to see and see if I want to buy them for a very secret amazing thing happening next year. Not next year, this year. Always keep saying next year. So yeah, let's see how it is. Our appointment is at 12 o'clock and it is 10:30 right now, and there is traffic, but hopefully we will reach very soon. So yeah, I'll see you over there. Here we are! Woo-hoo! This is the parking.
Where?
So we are walking. Lift के लिए बहुत बड़ी लाइन है, as you can see over there. So we are just walking by the staircase, and any which way, like there was a lot of crowd and we are ignoring crowd. So yeah, let's go. We've entered and they are walking down, and then you can go up, and that is where the new starts, and you have to someone already started there. ये देखो, मेरी मम्मी बोल रही थी कुछ नहीं लूँगी, and now she is buying and she made me take a basket. So this is the first floor and you get all the kitchen small supplies. So we are here. This is my absolute favorite. I love the couches which are like dark in color, and this color story is also like, I don't like this, but like I love this. So this is basically every room is installed. Not every room, but like some parts are like beds and everything is installed, and you can buy cushions, sofas, everything from here. So this is the first section where you come in from. This is my absolute favorite. Like, look at the color scheme. It is just so aesthetic. This is literally how my Pinterest board looks like. This color scheme is my absolute favorite. I have lost my mom. Let me show you. She's just not coming. And I'm tired and I'm very hungry, but then she's already looking for stuff which she doesn't need. So we are in the cafeteria. We get all the food and then you can go ahead and sit and eat, and after that you can bill, or you can bill first and then come ahead and eat over here. So this is what we got. Like, these are Swedish meatballs, veg and non-veg. We have dal makhani, cheesecake, chicken nuggets, potato wedges, and yeah, it took very long to get our food, but then we are here, and like it's like, you know, you always have to taste the food over here. So I was like, okay, let's go and eat. So if you come from level 1, this is level 1 and that was level 2, and you get all of this. Like, this warehouse is crazy. Like, it is insane. Like, if you look at it, you get all the chairs over here, and like if you want to buy anything, you can just, you know, take it from here. Oh my god, this is so heavy, but like yeah, you can take it from here and buy. So yeah, that is the level 1. Insane. And then if you go there are these billing counters, and you get a lot of stuff here as well. And that is it, you guys. We have finished. You can see IKEA over there, and we did a lot of cloth shopping. Honestly, it takes more than like 3 or 4 hours for you to completely go. I think we didn't even like go to the basement. Like level 1 was so big. Like level 2 में ही सबसे ज़्यादा time जाता है. But yeah, definitely come on weekdays, not on weekends. Literally, it was so crowded as the day progressed, and like खाने के लिए बहुत line है and everything. So definitely come on weekdays. So you will get, you know, less crowd, and you will be easily able to shop without any danger of, you know, contacting people. So yeah, that was the vlog, and please make sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.